Hello and good evening, all. So, today is the last day of this workshop with the wonderful people. I really say that each and every participant in this workshop is a special for me, and I really enjoy this workshop. I really feel that you all are, trying your best to connect with the angels, and please keep practicing. If you will practice, then definitely you will start getting the sign from the angels. So if you are doing the practice and you have already got the sign, don't forget to share on the discussion group. Please share your experience. Thank you so much. Let's start the workshop now. I have already discussed in the previous session that God is selecting the divine soul only for giving the healing and joining this healing workshop, or joining any kind of profession where you can attach with the spiritual power, divine power, universe power. So God has already selected you. Now you have to trust on the universe. Now you have to understand the actual meaning of the connection with the angels. So once you will start getting the sign, once you will start getting the signal from the angels, you will feel that something is happening with you. After that, so there is a two way, that ek to power, you are connecting with the angels, and obviously you will get the power, you will get the connection. And during this time there are the two things, that if you want to give the healing, once I have shared the healing process with you yesterday, so once you will follow that, you will feel that you are getting the power, you're getting the positivity. And to heal yourself, you can connect with your angels directly, and you can give the healing to yourself. But most of the time it is happening, if you're not getting the connection, if you're not getting the good sign from the angels, then in this case sometime it is required to take the atonements. So you need that with the um, practitioner healer. So anyone who is doing the practice, you can take the attunement from your healer. He will give you that, जैसे हम गुरु मंत्र लेते हैं उसी तरह से ये होता है. Then they will give you that power, they will give you that virtual, that you will feel it. And from that time you will start connecting your angels, and you will feel the connection, you will feel the sign very soon. But first time I will say that try to connect with yourself, try to ask for the attunement from your angels only. So they will give you. Trust, you can receive that, right? This is an important thing to know in this audio.